Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shams and I make easy to follow mouth-watering recipes. Today on Healthy Doesn't Have to Be Boring, episode 1, we're going to make blackened salmon with creamy garlic butter sauce like you never had before, with a choice of cilantro lime rice or cauliflower cilantro lime rice for those on keto. Let's roll the intro. Blackened salmon is high in protein, high in omega fats, and high in taste. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to season our salmon, and this is the best part. We're going to coat with a generous amount of granulated garlic. Make sure to cover the whole surface. Tiny bit of salt to taste. Just a little bit. Some black pepper. Some chili powder, and this will give that dark color of the black salmon. And if you don't like it spicy, you could use cayenne pepper, but chili pepper is the way to go. And make sure to season both sides. Come on! Both sides. Flip, and we're gonna season the other side. Then you just wanna massage it in there to make sure it sticks. You just dab it in. Let's cook the salmon. So if you're using a cast iron pan, go on medium heat. If you're using a regular pan, medium high heat, because you want the little crust to form on the blackened salmon. Pick up that heat to medium. Now coat the pan with olive oil, just enough so the salmon doesn't stick to the pan. Place the salmon away from us. And we're going to cook that salmon for about 6 minutes total. That's the golden number. The 2-minute mark, we're going to flip the salmon. Tablespoon of butter. Fresh thyme. Squeeze in the lemon juice. And that. I have the pan on medium-low heat. Squeeze in half of a lemon. Add in the lemon juice, the garlic. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Slowly add in about 4 tablespoons of butter. Add in some parsley for some color. So we're going to make the cauliflower cilantro lime rice. If you don't want to see this part, skip to the next part down below. Turn up the heat to a medium. Toss in 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to add in our frozen cauliflower rice. Mix it in with the butter. Do not just cover it and let that water evaporate. Once it's evaporated, we're going to season the cauliflower rice. Squeeze in some lime to taste, some cilantro, salt, that in there. Salmon with the cauliflower lime rice, and then we have this one with jasmine rice. Let's try it out. Bright citrusy notes balances out that fatty, flaky salmon. It's refreshing, healthy, and to make it even better, healthier, you can replace the butter with olive oil, but to me, everything in moderation is good. So, use the butter, it won't hurt. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. I'll see you next time.